Setting up your new washing machine. Congratulations on the purchase of your new Siemens washing machine. To set it up, let's start by removing the protective film and all of the stickers. Next, remove the bolts from the back of the drum. You should also remove the transparent retainers. Place one of the clips provided in each of the 4 holes, like this. Before you continue, make sure that the appliance is properly connected to water and power. Now, turn on your washing machine. Then select the language and press the forward arrow. After the appliance has initialized automatically, swipe up and press the setup icon. Now, let's connect your washing machine to your Wi-Fi network. Press Home Connect and then Continue. Then select Wi-Fi. Press Settings, Connect to Network, and connect automatically. Finally, press Continue. The WPS function of your router needs to be activated. And that's it. The time will be set automatically. Say you want to wash your hiking jacket, for example. Choose the Textile Guard program. Don't forget to add detergent before you start the wash cycle. Then, press the Start button.
Siemens, the future moving in.